Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
You want to know how to set a read receipt in Yahoo Mail. The direct answer is that Yahoo Mail does not have a built-in feature for read receipts. Unlike some other email services, Yahoo Mail does not offer a native option to request a notification when your email is opened. This can be frustrating. However, there is a workaround. Many users achieve a similar function by using third-party browser extensions or email tracking tools. These tools integrate with your web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and work alongside your Yahoo Mail account. They typically function by embedding a tiny, invisible tracking pixel into your outgoing emails. When the recipient opens your email, this pixel loads, and the tracking tool notifies you. To use one, search for an email tracking extension in your browser's app store. Always choose a reputable extension with good reviews. Read the privacy policy before installing. Remember, these are not official Yahoo Mail features. They are external tools. Also, recipients might have image blocking enabled. This could prevent the tracking pixel from loading. So, the read receipt might not always be accurate or guaranteed. While Yahoo Mail doesn't offer it directly, third-party tools can provide a similar solution.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.